Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device, just like that, and after releasing, you will enter the recents. Here we've got all previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of them, simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on this trash bin icon. Now we can go back and check, and as you can see here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.